Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to use Microsoft Loop in Outlook. First, log into your account and select on the space that you want. Then for here, choose on one page that you want to use in Outlook. After that, click on the three dots beside it, and from the options, choose Share Loop Component. Now, you can go to its settings so that you will be able to change its access. Once done, just click the Apply button. Now, go to your Outlook account. Then in here, click on the New button so that you will be able to make a new email. For here, type in the email of the person where you want to share your loop. Then, go ahead and paste in the loop that you copied. You can also add in a subject for it so that they'll know what to do with it. Once done, click on the Send button. Now that you've sent it, the other person will now have access to their inbox. Then, if they click on your message and click on the loop component, they will be able to access the page that you shared from Loop. And in here, you can go collaborate with them. And that's just basically it. That's how you use Microsoft Loop in Outlook. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.